Hello to all lovers of the WWII artifacts. In this video we've got a few news stories of military finds discovered in Russia quite recently. Let's cut right to the chase. A naval mine. In Crimea, the Black Sea Fleet divers discovered the most dangerous naval mine. It was lying at the seabed 320 meters from the shore at a depth of 17 meters. A total of 170 people and 19 pieces of equipment were involved in the demining works. Such mines were equipped with a non-contact magnetic fuse that reacts to changes in the magnetic field, to the noise of the propellers of ships passing nearby, and they also detonate when water pressure drops. The peculiarity of the operation is that the rise could lead to an explosion due to a change in depth, that is, the water pressure on the mine could change. As a result of this, the fuses would react instantly. But it was even more dangerous to destroy the mine on the spot, since there is a high-pressure underwater gas pipeline in the blast zone. The mine was moved to the maximum depth possible, where it was detonated remotely. During the operation, the city service ensured the safety of people and buildings located on the coast. There was a cordon of boats in the sea area. The police provided a cordon of the foreshore. The Center for Civil Protection of Sevastopol obstructed the access of the civilian population to the sea area. Shipping was completely stopped. The destruction operation was successful. The WWII soldiers. This spring, near the city of Nizhny Novgorod, a search party found the remains of 27 Red Army soldiers. Fierce battles took place in these places during the war. The dead fighters were found in one large burial. There were several officers among the dead. 2 dog-tag capsules were found, but they were broken and the information wasn't preserved. The leader of the search party said that some information can be found among the personal belongings. This will be done after a thorough inspection of the items found. The operation to search for dead soldiers in the area will continue. The SS Typewriter. Another interesting find was discovered by a search party from the city of Kaliningrad. Quite unexpectedly, the guys dug out a German typewriter in the German positions. The condition wasn't very good, but one interesting detail made the guys drag the typewriter into their car. Among the letters on the keys, there was one with the SS inscription. Apparently, it was made for the convenience of typing during the war. The guys decided to clean the find and keep it as an exhibit of a private collection. The German soldiers. In the Krasnodar region, search work was carried out during which several German soldiers were found. They were not buried, but simply covered with earth in their trenches, where they were caught by death. A lot of personal belongings and military ammunition were found with the dead. The warriors had helmets and ammunition as well as dog tags. No small arms were found. Probably after the battle, the trophy teams collected personal weapons. By the nature of the wounds, it was clear that they all died during artillery or mortar shelling of their positions. All information on the found Wehrmacht soldiers was transferred to the German side. Well, that's all for today, friends. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell not to miss new videos.